So you see that Gabby open too? Here, Gabby.
I'll open.
No, this is Gabby's. You open yours.
Sophie's.
No, don't open mine.
I didn't.
It's a minute.
What is it?
So what?
Whoa, what is it, Mom?
I don't know. No, don't. Let Gabby open.
Sophia, do you want to open yours?
No.
Pull this out.
Whoa. Ariel.
What did you get?
Ariel the mermaid.
Ariel the mermaid?
Yeah. Oh, it's perfect.
Who gave you that?
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Who gave you that?
Mom.
Mommy and who?
Mommy and Dad.
You want to open it?
No.
Play with it?
Yeah, I want to open.
I'll open it, Sophia.
Oh, no, Mom, I do it.
Gabby's getting into hers pretty good there.
Oh, look at Gabby's opening her present.
Yeah, he opened a little present.
Yeah. Mommy can't open this. Let's have Jacob, then he can get the knife and cut into the tape. There's
I
no
won't
tape
open
with
it.
the cup.
What's this, Mom?
Okay, no, let go.
Sophia, let's go. Let's open it.